Alright, welcome to this video, folks. Hey, if you're looking to work at home or you want to work at home job opportunity, you've come to the right video. I'm going to show you a website. It's called workathome481.com. It has pretty much everything you will need here. Marketing tools, traffic software. So even if you pick up one of these jobs, the tools are endless here. It's free. It's a free, legitimate work at home website that you could find work at home opportunities for. They even show you how to get a free $20. They show you benefits of working at home. They show you, kids jobs. So if you're somebody looking at the internet right now and you're a kid or a teenager or a college student, they have stuff that you could do as well. Um, well, college students could do this too, and same with kids. So let's kind of dig into this. There's 50 of them on just this page alone. So here you go. Here's your $20 free. Just click it. We'll click it in a little bit. They have email processing, they have surveys, they have writing jobs, tutoring jobs, video game testers, social media. They got so much. As you can see, there's more. It shows you the advantages and disadvantages of working at home. And they have, 30-day success formula. They have just so much other stuff here on this web page. Working home, more working home opportunities that you do. Shows you different countries and everything you could work in and work out of. It's pretty much unlimited around the world you could work in or work some of these at. So let's look at some of the benefits here. That they talk about. Wasting time, commuting. Most people are more productive when they're working at home and they're happier as well. There's a whole bunch of them. Uh, so you could check out the benefits, and then we'll go here and check out kids' jobs just real quick. I have 15 kids' jobs. Take surveys online, pet sitter, walking dogs, selling stuff on eBay, baked goods. There's a ton of them. There's 15 of them. You could take a look at that. I'm going to show you. Here is the free $20. It shows you how to get it. Just click the video, watch the video. I'm not going to do it. And it'll tell you how to do it. It is actually, you'll get a net spend card. You just load it with your own $20. It gives you free $20. So that's an extra $20 for you free. If you're going to go out spending money, and you got 20 free dollars. Why not? It's your cash anyway. So let me go. I'm going to scroll on back. I'm going to do it this way. Benefits. There we go. So once again, I will have it in the description. Workathome481.com. 50 legitimate work at home job opportunities. No experience needed to work on these online jobs here in 2020, and you can make money online fast and get paid daily as well with a lot of these. So check it out. Descriptions down below. All right, you guys have a wonderful day, and best of luck to you here in 2020.